Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan, and in today's video we are doing a tutorial for the Dutch braid. In one of my last videos, someone had left a comment asking for a tutorial on this certain braid, and I haven't actually done it in such a long time, so I thought that today would be a good day to challenge myself and give you guys another tutorial. But before we get started, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and support your girl out. And as well, if you enjoy videos like this, then hit that like button so that I know to make more videos similar to this one. Now, if you're ready and you have got all of your hairstyling kits ready, then let's get started. Alright, so let's get into this Dutch braid. To start off, I will be combing my hair through to make sure that all the tangles are out, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is probably one of the harder braids that I've ever had to learn, and I hope that my way of explaining it will be helpful to you. After I've combed my hair through, I will section it down the middle because I'd like to do this as pigtail braids. However, you can also do this as just one full braid down the middle. If you are doing the pigtail braids like me, I don't really have much of a suggestion in terms of how you can part it evenly down the middle. Over the years, I've kind of just learned how to do this. As I don't want to include my bangs in this hairstyle, I'm getting them out of the way to make sure that they don't get caught in it. So we are going to be working on one side first. That's why we will tie the other side into a pony for now. So after I tie one section of the hair, I will begin to work on the other section, which is loose at the moment. Same with the 3-strand braid that I had a video about. I use my fingers to section my hair into 3 smaller sections. When doing the French braid, we put the outer sections of our hair over the middle sections and cross it over. However, for the Dutch braid, it's the opposite. It's outer sections of hair under the middle section. I usually start off by crossing an outer section underneath the middle section about twice before I start adding to the sections. So once I do 2 outer sections underneath the middle section, I start to add an outer section. Okay, so I'm going to try and explain this as clearly as possible. Once you get going with crossing an outer section of hair under the middle section, you are also going to be taking a new section of hair together with it, if that makes sense. So remember that you have the rest of your hair is loose. That's where you're going to take additional sections of hair from to cross underneath. You'll just continue to do this until you run out of loose hair to add on. So again, it's one outer section, cross it underneath the middle section, and add a new section of hair from the same side of that outer section together underneath the middle section. This part of the video will go on for longer just so you can see what I'm trying to explain. But once you get it, you can also jump into the next chapter, which I will have in my description below so that you can see the outcome. If you have other tips for doing the Dutch braid, definitely leave them in the comment section below for others to see as well. Like I said, this is a very tricky braid, and I'd love for everyone to be helping each other out too. And of course, if you don't get this one right away, that's okay. It all takes practice. I definitely couldn't do it the first time I tried it, but after a while, your hands just get used to knowing where to put your hair, and you can do it without even seeing the back of your head, like what I'm doing here. But again, for now, the process goes, you divide your hair into 3 sections and use the outer sections to cross underneath the middle section. Together with that, you'll add a new section of hair from the loose hair that you have and cross it underneath the middle section as well. You'll keep on doing this until you run out of hair to add, and yeah, you'll end up with a lovely Dutch braid. Of course, once you're done, you can secure your hair in a ponytail. Unfortunately for me, I can't really do this up until the end of my hair length because I have crazy short layers and they are starting to stick out at this stage. So now I'm just gonna work on the other side. Again, I'm leaving this part of the tutorial in so that you have something to watch in case you're still trying to feel your way through this. I know this isn't the best angle for the tutorial. I'll try to do a better one maybe sometime in the future, but I hope that you were able to understand what I was trying to teach through my instructions as well. And if you did end up making this hairstyle, please leave a comment below or hit that like button, or even share a photo with me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle on this video. I would love to see what you guys end up with. So that was it for this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned a lot from it. If you did find it helpful, please do hit that like button and as well subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can also tick the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos like this. And of course, if you have other requests for hair tutorials that you would like for me to do, leave them in the comment section below and I will try my very best to come up with something for that. So that is it for me today. I will see you all again next week for another new video, and again, my name is Megan. Bye!